Have you ever heard of something called an algae boom? An algae boom happens when algae in your fish tank gets too much nutrients, allowing it to grow uncontrollably. One of the main nutrients that causes the algae boom is called phosphate. Why am I talking about phosphate? I'm talking about phosphate because it's a big part of what I'm going to be talking about next, which is ionic bonding between a polyatomic ion, which is phosphate, and multivalent metal, which for me was iridium. What is ionic bonding? Ionic bonding is when there are two elements, a positive and a negative, and the negative gives the positive some electrons so it can be neutral, and so can the positive. Now that I've explained ionic bonding, I'm going to talk about covalent bonding. In order to do that, I will use phosphorus trichloride as an example. Phosphorus trichloride is made up of two things, phosphorus and chlorine, more specifically 1 phosphorus, 3 chlorine. The reason they bond is because chlorine is 1 electron away from having a full valence shell, and phosphorus is 3 away. So the easiest way they can get full valence shells is by sharing electrons. So as you can see, phosphorus finds 3 chlorine friends to share with, and now they're all happy.